So as I'm adding materials, I'm not going to start at the very end of my hook and my flower crown base. I'm going to start about 3 to 4 inches inside, and I'm going to start with my first material. I'm going to lay my material flat on top of my other wire, and I'm going to tape it down. Now I have straightened out the base so that I can lay my materials flat. Also, as you're adding materials, you're gonna end up with a bunch of extra wire. There's no reason to tape this part down. Cut it. Make sure you don't poke an eye out. And just seal it. Okay. So there's my first one. There's the top view. There's the side view. Now, every time you add a new material, you are going to slightly overlap your stems. Okay? So I'm going to slightly overlap, and then I'm going to tape down. A few turns. Again, cutting off my extra. I don't need all the extra weight. Seal it down. Okay. I'm gonna take my next material. And so when you're adding, you want to lay them all the same direction with the tails all going the same direction. And you want to make sure they're slightly overlapped. Because what happens is if you lay it down here, when this bends, you're gonna end up with a gap between your materials, and you don't want that. Now on the flip side, you don't want it so close together that you run out of materials halfway down the base of your crown. So again, I'm just going to slightly overlay the materials and tape these down. Now remember, all of your materials have wires in them. So what that does is as you're taping them down, once you get to the end, you can direct your flowers in any direction to make it look a little bit more full. But again, this is gonna curve with your head, and as it pops, it's forward and create a roundness. It's going to give just enough negative space between the flowers to make it look a little bit more full. So you're going to continue down your floral crown until you get about the same distance from the end that you started with. Okay? And that's pretty much it.